let's deploy the wings now that we're out. Right here, press out, watch this. Keep your eye on this. Ready? Okay, ready? We've got our wings out. Now this side. Okie dokes, let's fly. Now we're going to start up the engines like this, touch screen, and then on. Engines are on. This is a combined power of 740 horsepower from turbo diesel maritime engine. So you got V8s right here. All right, now what's cool is this. Check this out. Fly mode. That is what we're going to do. We're going to fly this boat.
All right, let's take this baby flying. Ready? Actually touching the boat.